This is the Infinix Hot 30 Free Fire Edition. It's just like the regular Hot 30, but it comes with this Free Fire box that has some Free Fire mech, and when you turn on the smartphone, you're going to notice the Free Fire wallpaper, sound, and AR emoji. The Infinix Hot 30 is an affordable gaming smartphone with an interesting design that looks familiar. Powering it is the Mediatek Helio G88 processor. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD display and dual stereo speakers. That's a big deal for smartphones in this price range. Now, spec-wise, it's impressive. It comes with 8GB of RAM that can be expanded to 16GB of RAM. For the camera, it has a 50-megapixel main camera and a 5000 mAh battery. So, is it hot enough to be your next smartphone? Let's find out. Now, one thing I like about budget smartphones is you get more items in the box. The Infinix Hot 30 Free Fire Edition comes with a cap, keychain, Free Fire stickers, phone lanyard, a scratch card that gives you exclusive gear in the Free Fire game, and a SIM ejector pin. Now, if you go for the regular Infinix Hot 30, you're only going to get this box. This smartphone comes in 3 colors: Sonic White, which is the one I have here, Racing Black, and Surfing Green. It comes with an MTN card that gives you 1GB of instant data. It also comes with a customer service card, an X-Pack leaflet, a TPU case, a USB Type-C cable, earphones, and a 33 watts fast charger that charges this smartphone from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Now, moving to the build quality, this smartphone feels solid. It weighs 196 grams, but when you hold it, it doesn't feel heavy. It's an easy smartphone to hold and use for long durations thanks to the box design. Now, switching to the rear, you might think it's made from glass, but it's not. It's actually plastic. The sides are also made from plastic, and there's no Corning Gorilla Glass protection at the front and no IP rating. For the external features, it has a dual 4G SIM card tray and a memory card slot. On the right side is where the volume and power buttons are located. The power button is also the fingerprint scanner, and it unlocks the smartphone fast, as you can see. Moving to the bottom, it has a 3.5mm audio jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker. The Infinix Hot 30 has dual stereo speakers. The second speaker is located at the top, and if I'm not mistaken, it's the only smartphone within its price range to have dual stereo speakers. The speakers sound loud, it lacks a bit of bass, but it's very decent. Also, the rear vibrates when the volume is high, and you're going to feel the vibration more when you play games. For the rear cameras, it comes with a 50-megapixel main camera and an AI camera. It also has a flash LED light. For the selfie camera, it has an 8-megapixel shooter. Now, let's talk about the display. The display size is a 6.7-inch 1080p IPS LCD panel with a refresh rate of 90Hz. It has a touch sampling rate of 270Hz. What that means is the display is very responsive to touch, which gamers would appreciate. The display supports 96% DCI-P3 colors, so the colors it shows are accurate. Also, watching movies on this display is fantastic. Now, using the smartphone outdoors under direct sunlight is not bad. Peak brightness is around 600 nits, and with that, you would struggle a bit to be able to see the screen properly. Now, because the display is large and it has dual stereo speakers, the Infinix Hot 30 might just be the best smartphone to use to consume media at its price point. Now, moving over to the processor, the Infinix Hot 30 comes with a Mediatek Helio G88 processor. It's a decent budget processor that offers sustained performance and smooth gameplay. Opening apps is fast on it. Navigating through the user interface is fast as well. I mean, when you use the smartphone, you're going to notice that it feels fast, and that's because of the processor and the display that has a 90Hz refresh rate. Now, to see how fast the Infinix Hot 30 performs, I ran Antutu benchmark and it scored 252K, which is very good. That's not a bad score for a budget smartphone at this price point. For Geekbench, here are the scores, and also it's not a bad score. For the GPU, it comes with the Mali G52 MC2, and it handled Free Fire like it was nothing. I mean, it played the game effortlessly. Why won't it? Because it's a Free Fire edition smartphone. I didn't experience any lag, any overheating, and no throttling. Moving over to Call of Duty, it played the game at medium graphics and high frame rate. The gameplay was smooth, and also I didn't experience any issue with it. For PUBG, it played the game at HD graphics and high frame rate. The phone got a little bit warm, which is normal, and apart from that, the gameplay was smooth. Playing Genshin Impact, a 20GB game on the Infinix Hot 30, to play the game at the lowest graphics settings. I noticed that it ran a little bit slow, but when I turn on game mode and enable it for Genshin Impact, I don't know if it's a placebo effect, but the game ran better. Now, for day-to-day tasks like chatting on WhatsApp and going through Instagram, TikTok, and even Snapchat, this smartphone will handle those applications well. Now, one area where the Infinix Hot 30 has an advantage over other smartphones within its price range is the large RAM it comes with. I mean, with 8GB of RAM that can be expanded to 16GB of RAM, you can open multiple applications and switch between them effortlessly. For the Android operating system, the Infinix Hot 30 is running the latest Android version, that's Android 13, and there's no official word from Infinix if this smartphone will be getting future Android OS updates. For bloatwares or pre-installed applications, it has a few of them, but luckily you can always delete or disable them, which I'll recommend you do, by the way. Now, moving to the cameras, the Infinix Hot 30 has an 8MP front-facing camera, and in low-light situations, the photo it produces are soft. It has a flash LED light, and it does a good job in making pictures taken in pitch black situations possible. You can also use the display as the light source, but it isn't as good as using the flash LED lights. Now, in this picture, I was facing a wall, and as you can see, the Infinix Hot 30 didn't get my skin tone right. It made me look a little bit reddish. Moving outdoors, the reddish/brownish skin tone persists. One thing this smartphone does well is with HDR, it does a good job in capturing the sky and your face. Generally, pictures captured by the front-facing camera are okay. I mean, they won't blow you away, but you can definitely use them for social media. For portrait pictures, the bokeh looks okay and the pictures looks great. Object separation is on point, but it doesn't handle the highlight well. The sky is blown out in this one. In this picture, it does well to get my skin tone right. Hopefully, Infinix would be able to fix this reddish skin tone with a software update. Alright, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the Infinix Hot 30. It has an 8MP selfie camera and it can shoot in 2K 30fps. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, let's test out HDR. How is it handling HDR? I don't know. I have to get to my laptop to check it out. But what do you guys think about the video and audio quality? Let me know in the comment section below. Infinix Hot 30 also has the bokeh effect where it blurs out the background. What do you guys think about this effect? In this mode, it only shoots in 720p. So what do you guys think about this effect? Is this something you're going to use? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, moving to the rear cameras, or should I say camera, because the only useful camera at the rear is the 50MP main camera. Capturing pictures of flowers look great. The AI knows objects like pets and flowers, and it enhances the color so that it can pop. Taking pictures of my dog, for example, I mean, it looks great. The details it shows are really good. Moving to human subject, the pictures doesn't look bad, and portrait shots are just there. Now, switching to night mode, it takes decent pictures, but when there's a little bit of light, it takes very good pictures. Alright guys, so here's a video from the 50MP rear camera of the Infinix Hot 30. Currently it's shooting in 2K 30fps. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? That's my dog. Let me know in the comment section below. Brownie, what do you think about the Infinix Hot 30? It's a good phone, right? You like it? You like it? So let us know in the comment section below if you dig the video and audio quality. The rear camera also has the bokeh effect where it blurs out the background and just leaves you in focus. In this mode, it only shoots in 720p. What do you think about the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. And here's a video of Brownie shooting in 2K. What do you guys think about the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. Say hello to YouTube, Brownie. And now let's test out the video stabilization or lack of stabilization. I'm just going to jog. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, the battery on the Infinix Hot 30 is a 5000 mAh battery, and for my usage, I was able to charge this smartphone once a day. Now, granted, if you're a gamer, you're going to drain the battery faster and you probably need to charge the battery twice a day. For the charging speed, 0 to 50% takes 30 minutes, and to charge it to 100%, it takes 1 hour 19 minutes. So that's my review of this smartphone, the Infinix Hot 30. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in another video. Valor Reviews, signing out.